Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create schedules on Viomi V3. First we'll need to click on the three dots, sorry for that, in the top right corner of the app. Then look for the vacuuming appointment. Click on it and here select the plus button. Then you can change how often it should repeat. You can select any amount of days of the week. Then there's the vacuuming time when it should begin. Appointment mode that you can switch between vacuum, vacuum and mopping, or mopping standalone. Then there's the section, and if you have mopping as well, there should be water level as well, and you can change the section between quiet, standard, medium or strong, and the water level between 1, 2 and 3. And finally, last thing is vacuuming range, and depending on if your map is fully set, you'll be able to select the rooms where you want the robot to work during that appointment. In this case I have a whole house, and we can agree. Then the appointment should be added to the list, and you can enable or disable it like that, or alternatively, I think when we select it, we can delete that appointment as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.